Hello, wonderful people. I hope you guys are doing great at your place. I'm also very well fine here at my new place. So today I want to share you about EFT tapping session for releasing the anxiety. It is going to be a quick demo about how you can tap at the specific meridian points to release the immediate anxiety attacks which you are feeling. So without any delay, let me straight away tell you the EFT tapping. The only requirement of an EFT tapping is your presence and your acceptance to the current emotion you are going through. By the way, EFT stands for Emotion Freedom Technique and it has a long history behind it, but I don't want to get into the history right now because this video is specifically for the demo and the tapping session. So we gonna rate our current emotion on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least and 10 being the most. So whatever you are feeling right now, I'm going for the anxiety as a demo. You can take any of your emotions. Maybe it is a pain in your back, a headache, migraine, cold, cough, fever, any physical symptoms or emotional symptoms. If you are feeling angry, if you are feeling lost, if you are feeling irritated, any of the emotions it can work upon. So for instance, it's about anxiety today. So I'm gonna rate my anxiety around 6 or 7 for an instance. So my aim would be to reduce the anxiety scale from 7 to close to 1. So I'm going to tap right away before you, and I want you also to follow the same, to memorize the meridian point so that you can do on your own at your place whenever you like to do. So this is the karate chop point. We're gonna start from here and you have to tap here with any of your 2 fingers. You can use any of your hands, one for the this karate chop point and another for the tapping. So I'm gonna use my left hand since I'm a right-handed. You can do any which hand you want to. So you have to keep on pressing here and you have to use a positive affirmation. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. You can change this positive affirmation to your current emotion. Even though I'm feeling pain in my body right now, even though I'm feeling low right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. You have to keep on tapping here. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm completely anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now, after doing the entire process, tapping on the meridian points, you have to again rate your anxiety. I am 210% sure you're gonna feel a difference and a decrease in your anxiety level. As I've quoted, it is about 6 or 7. So I'm actually feeling a bit relaxed and a calm. So I will rate it around 3 or 4. So I will follow the same process until I am satisfied or feel like that yes, I am in a complete control of my emotions and of my body. So you have to do the entire process. You can repeat it twice or thrice, and then before closing or during the closing, you have to tap here at the gamut point. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. And then you have to hum a happy birthday song. You can hum actually any of the song, but I do prefer happy birthday because it's common and it's universal. So you have to hum. Only 2 lines are enough. You can, however, hum the entire song also. Then you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You will hum the song again. That's it. It's going to cease the anxiety, the emotion, the energy level right away, what you're feeling in your body. It's going to store that energy level, that emotion level in your body. So try doing it, guys. Just let me know also how do you like about it, how much you are going to release the anxiety or any of your pain. As I've said before, it works at every single emotion in your body and in your mind also. So do try it once and let me know also how you are feeling it. And till then, take care, guys. Happy tapping. Ta-da.